Welcome back. Thanks for staying with us. Since the opening of the borders, parishes like Manchester, St. Elizabeth and Clarendon have had no new cases of the coronavirus. Chairman of the Southern Regional Health Authority, Wayne Chen, is hoping it remains that way given the spike in imported cases. He was speaking at a handing over of medical equipment at the Mandeville Regional Hospital recently. Shamela Pullen has the story.
Since COVID-19 was detected on the island, the country has been grappling to deal with the pandemic. As a result, Chairman of the Southern Regional Health Authority, Wayne Chen, says health workers have been burnt out managing this process. However, they are seeing successes so far.
In this region, Mr. Benta was so happy, and at the same time it was a bittersweet feeling when I looked at the numbers of active cases for the southern region, for the three parishes, for the 600,000 Jamaicans who live in St. Elizabeth, Manchester and Clarendon, that we had actually attained at some time a few days ago 0 active cases.
But Mr. Chen said if the situation changes, he's hoping that it doesn't go beyond their ability to manage.
But I don't want it to go unnoticed, because as we have to open the economy, as we have to allow people to start to make a living again, there's no doubt we're going to see cases come again. And it's not, I want to say right here, it's not due to any negligence on the part of our workers. It's not due to any dereliction of duty. It is not due to any slip on our part. It is just due to the reality that we have a pandemic that in every other part of the world is showing a spike in numbers.
Mr. Chen was speaking at the handing over of several medical instruments at the Mandeville Regional Hospital last week by a representative of an overseas-based charity. Chief Executive Officer at the hospital, Alwyn Miller, says the donation was timely.
This hospital, as you would be aware, serves Manchester and the wider region. We have an annual figure of approximately 25,000 persons to our A&E department each year. We do approximately 7,000 surgeries. We deliver approximately 3,500 babies, and instruments are used in most of these procedures.
Other hospitals which will benefit from the $15 million worth of donation are Cornwall Regional, Lucy, Kingston Public, Percy Jr., Andrew. Mr. Chen was speaking at the handing over of several medical instruments at the Mandeville Regional Hospital last week